Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this Eurail booking platform review, I'll be sharing my hands-on experience with Eurail, a leading platform for booking European train travel. Eurail is primarily geared towards travelers eager to explore multiple European countries by rail. Their rail passes offer unlimited travel across a network spanning over 40 European countries, making it a perfect solution for tourists seeking flexibility and ease of travel. Whether your itinerary involves visiting multiple cities within a single country or hopping between different countries, Eurail empowers you to explore Europe without the inconvenience of purchasing individual tickets for each leg of your journey. Navigating the Eurail platform is straightforward. It offers a variety of passes tailored to diverse travel needs. The most sought-after option is the Eurail Global Pass, granting access to all participating countries. If you're focusing on a specific region or just a few countries, regional passes are also available. The website allows for pass customization based on your required travel days and the countries you intend to visit. The booking process is simple, and the platform provides helpful information on using your pass, including details about train routes, reservation requirements, and general travel tips. One particularly useful feature I discovered is the interactive map. It displays optimal train connections between major cities, simplifying trip planning, especially if you're not familiar with the European rail network. Eurail also provides a mobile app for convenient digital pass storage, accessible on the go. Through the app, you can readily check train schedules, review your pass details, and even secure seat reservations directly. In summary, Eurail is an excellent option for anyone considering train travel throughout Europe. It provides flexibility, convenience, and a range of passes to accommodate various travel styles. If you're planning a European adventure, be sure to check out the links in the description to begin exploring your options.